idle drops right back down. Okay, bump it. Well, it won't start, but go. First crank over. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, just bump it. Let it turn a couple times. Look at the big smile on her face. Hey, boys and girls, guys and gals, children and women of all ages. Hey, so as promised, today's video, got the new laptop out, got the HP tuners running, and the wiring and stuff is still a little bit of a mess here, so bear with me. I'll show you what's going on here in a minute. But right now we've got the HP tuners hooked into the OBD2 port, cable running into the laptop, and just as I started this video, it just finished. We're getting the tune, the factory tune that's in the car now out and reading what's going on in there. File name. So we're going to save it as 3rd Gen Camaro LS Swap stock. I'm like, what should I show you? So what we're going to do is, I'm sure you've seen this from other videos, guys doing this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and what I'm going to do is go in and we're going to get click on the engine tab. Actually, what I should do is file. We're going to open file, and it's going to show us all our tunes, and so we don't mess anything up, or if we do, we have something to revert back to. I'm going to copy, and then come down here in a blank area, and right-click again, and hit paste. I'm actually going to use the copy and leave the original one alone. The copy is the one I'm going to pick. I don't have all these memorized, but I know some areas and places we need to go and turn some things off. And one of the important things is getting the VATs turned off. That's what we want. Platform type, system options, VATs control. Here we go. None. We're gonna go down here to none and turn that off. Everything for transmission that's giving me a choice for enable, disable, I'm disabling all of it. So under the general tab of transmission, there's general here. It says transmission type, and it gives us the opportunity for 4L60E, 4L80E, manual, non-electric auto, and Allison. And we're going to put it on non-electric auto. And then park, reverse, neutral drive, low, equipped, we're going to say no. Oh, it's getting harder to see with the sun. Oh, there we go. Had to resync it. Now my credits that I purchased on the site are available. So now we can come over here and go right to vehicle, show license options, 2 credits available. And there you have it. We're writing our basically the VATs and turned off the transmission type. And we're already cruising. So here's a quick look. It's a mess, but so all right, went with 2 fuse blocks here. It probably, if it starts, it will run funny. I still got to put ignition wires on, but I got a set over there on the table. I got a couple of vacuums we got to pull off real quick, but other than that, it should be okay. So let's get ready to fire and see what happens. All right, first start. Turn the key forward and just like let the pump run for a minute or so, or when you hear it shut off. It's probably gonna run very messed up. We've got a lot of vacuum stuff that we haven't blocked off yet. There's there's no radiator in it, no transmission lines hooked up or anything. We just want to fire it. Look at the big cheesy smile again. He's so happy it's running. All right, kill it. That's long enough. We got a lot of stuff to hook up. You very happy about that, huh?
Yes. Very happy.
There it goes. Guys, gals, boys and girls, we're gonna go to the auto parts store right now. Those ignition wires that I ordered are too short, so just for the sake of simplicity, we're gonna run to the auto parts store real quick, get a shorter set of wires, longer, for LS, slap them on there real quick. I can put the coils back in place and stuff like that. I'm gonna get some vacuum line and we'll run that, but we've got it. It started, it's running, and I'll get some more stuff in just a minute, a little more detail on how to do the HP tuners. I know that I did it right here at the beginning of the video, but I'll show you some more in detail of actual screen footage of what I did. So we're excited. She's happy, right?
Yes.
All right, so let's get to it. We got to go to the parts store. Oh, let me get something to drink. Let's pull the HP tuners back up. So we got it started, but all we did is... So what we got going on is we're pulling the tune back up from the car. So we go here, File, Open, and we're going to look for our 3rd Gen Camaro, the copy. And that's what we're going to load into the HP tuners. Now that we've got it loaded in here, what I did is I know that I turned off the VAT system, and I know that we turned off the transmission stuff. But now I'm going to take my time, kind of go through here real quick. It won't seem like a long time for you because I'll edit it down, but we're going to go through here like engine, and because I don't have all the tabs and everything memorized, we're going to go through each tab, every little thing, and disable anything that I need to disable or I know that I don't need. So right here we're on engine, 5.3 liter, cylinders 8, air pump, disable, ECT. That should just flat out be disabled. The airflow, my intake air temperature sensor is actually a part of the MAF sensor, so we don't have to turn that off or do anything with it. Electronic throttle, this should be completely disabled. Select power enrichment. Torque control tab. So far we're not seeing anything that needs to be turned off. Nope. Okay, so here we go. Under engine diagnostics, we go down to, well, I'm going down to, you do not have to do what I'm doing. You tune and change things in your computer at your own risk. We go down to P0137 Bank 1 Sensor 2, and we changed it to no error reported. We're going down one to circuit high voltage Bank 1 Sensor 2, and we're putting no error reported. P0140 Bank 1 Sensor 2, and we're going to change that to no error reported. P0141 oxygen heater circuit Bank 1 Sensor 2. Basically anything that says Sensor 2 we're turning off. We're going to put no error reported. This here P0147 O2 heater circuit, bank 1 sensor 3. We don't have that. It's not even checked. The one below that, bank 2 sensor 2. We're going to change that down to no error reported and uncheck the box. Next one down, bank 2 sensor 2, no error reported, uncheck the box. P0161, we're going to change that also to no error reported and uncheck the box. Here we go. EGR stuff, P0400, exhaust gas recirculation flow. Okay, it's already unchecked, no error reported. P0401, exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, flow insufficient detected. We're going to uncheck it, and we're going to change it down to no error reported. P0404, EGR, control circuit range performance. We're going to uncheck that. And all these, everything with a EVAP. Evaporative emission system, the pressure switch, all of these, anything that starts here between P0440 and all the way down to P0453, we are turning off. We are giving no error reported light for them, and we're unchecking them. Nope, that's all set. So we got a couple more things turned off there, and that should also change the way that it runs right now. So let's go to File. We're going to go to Save, and it will save it under our copy file. If we were actually tuning, we would keep making a new file each time and date it, time, all that stuff. So let's go put this into the car and start it back up again. Okay. So we got our HB tuners, we got our cable. Plug that in there, and we're going to come into our diagnostic port. Everything in there real good. And, oh, here we go. And then right here is right vehicle. So we'll click on that. And it's giving me a prompt here to write. Oh, you know what? I need the key forward on the car. We should actually be connected to the car. We can verify that. Yep. And now we'll write. So while this is writing, damn, look, I think it's already, oh, okay. While it's going, I can't finish this up now. I'd like to, but so what I'm going to do real quick though, not now, but basically we're going to take a vacuum line to this back port on the driver's side, run it up through here and tap into this one with a Y, and then hit it right here. But in between here and where we tie the two in, we're going to put a pollution control valve in, a PCV valve. It says write complete, so we're going to close. We're going to close this out. That will disconnect us from the vehicle. And we'll pull the laptop away. And let's give it another start. You ready, Kat?
Mm-hmm.
That's something that we'll have to change on the tune, is that high idle like that. We can change that. It doesn't look like the serpentine belt is revving on anything. These are some of the things that we're looking at here. You can tell there's a difference between the darker ones and the lighter colored letters of what we're actually controlling. So I'll turn it on again and we'll get a quick data log just to kind of look over some stuff later. Right now, before I start it, I'm going to hit start scanning. Wow, the RPM's really jumped up there. And there we go. Yeah, we're starting to get warm, so we're gonna have to shut it off now. But it is running. Before she gets any warmer, because we don't even have a radiator or anything in it, coolant. Let's hit stop on the scanning. We're good with that right now. Log file, we're going to save log file as 3rd Gen Camaro, no spaces, Z28 space, first log. And we'll save that. Thanks for joining me on the next video. And that's how you turn off your VAT system and a couple other things. Remember, only turn stuff off. If you go buy this stuff, only turn things off at your own risk. Don't try to, do anything. If you're not sure, there's plenty of other videos out there besides mine who can actually explain why I'm doing what I'm doing or why you would want to do what you want to do. But tune at your own risk, turn things off at your own risk. And thanks for watching. We got it running, we're all set, so we just got a few more things to button up and get this harness finally taped down and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are still being good to one another, treat each other fairly, be careful, be safe. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. How that idle drops right back down. It's actually good. Look how smooth. No knocking, no nothing, nice and smooth. I think I did pretty good. I know it's been a while, you guys haven't seen the rest of it in a while. But it's still, listen to that pump. Got a long way to go inside. Long way to go.